Friends, families, and future clients, I'm broker Nick Dimanlig and I'm here right now in Diamond Heights in Barangay Latag in Lipa City. And I'm gonna feature Jade House Model. So Jade House Model has a minimum lot size of 120 square meters and a floor area of 98 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, 2 car park, and a balcony. So, let's go! So, ayan po. So, actual po ng ating model house is 169 square meters. So, medyo malaki to dun sa minimum lot size ni Jade model. So, but dito sa exterior, dito po kasya po ang dalawang car natin, whether SUV pa yan or compact car, kasya po yan. Then, nandito po ang service area. Okay? So pag titignan nyo po yung appearance ng bahay, ayan. So, modern po. Modern yung design ng ating bahay. Okay, so this is the turnover unit. So, kung ano po ang makikita natin sa exterior at interior portion ng ating bahay is ito po yung madideliver sa inyo. Okay, let's go. So, initially makikita nyo marami na pong mga windows o aluminum na sliding windows upon entry. Wooden door. Then, naka-tiles na po ang ating flooring, 60 by 60 na tiles, na ceramic tiles. Okay? So, this will be your living area. Ito po. Ito pong area na to. Okay? So, ang good news is, itong si Jade model is meron po siyang bedroom sa baba. Ito po. So, normally, itong mga bedroom sa baba is ginagamit as maid's room. Ayan. Or kaya, mga room po ng ating mga elders. Okay? Then, this is the first bathroom, toilet and bath, with complete bathroom accessories. Okay? So, here is our kitchen area. Ayan. So, meron na po mga modular cabinets and complete kitchen accessories. And this is our door papunta sa ating service area. Okay? So, punta po tayo sa second floor. Makikita nyo po ang ating stairs. Ayan po, naka-tiles na rin. Meron na mga wooden handrail. Ay, meron na siyang mga handrails sa wooden. May steel railings. Ayan. High ceiling po. So, this is the second toilet and bath. Complete turnover finish. Then, ito po. Naka-tiles na rin po ang mga flooring. This is the second bedroom. Meron na rin pong provision for aircon. Okay? Malaki ang mga windows. This is the third bedroom. Ayan. Okay? Then, our fourth bedroom, the largest room in the house, is our master's bedroom. This is our master's bedroom. And, ayan, it has its own toilet and bath. And meron siya mga mini na walk-in closet. Ayan po. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, then, nandito po sa master's bedroom ang ating balcony. So, meron siya mga sliding door. Ayan. So, ito po, ayan. So, this is Jade model. So, if you'd like to know more, feel free to contact me. And thank you for watching.